Section 7.1, example 9, finding a solution to the system of linear equations. Find a solution to the system of equations using the addition method. Let's try. So addition method, what we have to do is multiply by a number so that when we add them together, one of the variables eliminate. I'm going to multiply by -3, just because we have a +3 here. Multiplying by a -3, we could eliminate the x's. So with equation 1, let's rewrite equation 1. X plus 3y equals 2. I want to multiply that by -3 because it's the opposite of +3. X plus 3y is equal to 2, and multiplying that by -3 as well. All right, so distribute. Okay, we have -3x minus 9y is equal to -6. All right, we have that. Let's add this to equation 2. So rewriting it, -3x minus 9y equals -6. And let's grab equation 2, +3x plus 9y equals +6. So adding these two equations together, we have -3x plus 3x gives us 0. -9y plus 9, it kind of looks like something's going on here. So now at this point, I would say, oh, it's not, there's no solution because we don't have the left side, but we have to finish the right side just to see if it ends up being 0. If we have 0 is equal to 0, that is a true statement, so it would be dependent. So -6 plus 6, 0. So our solution here is 0 equals 0 for all solutions. Because this is true, we say that we have infinitely many solutions. So infinitely many solutions. So infinitely many solutions. Or let's see what the book calls it. Yes, infinitely many solutions, but this isn't the way we actually write our solution out. What we do is we solve for one of the variables. So each of these is going to be exactly the same. It doesn't matter which way we solve it, but we have to be consistent in the way that we write it. So x in this case is going to be x. Y in this case is going to be, I don't know. What we're going to do is solve this equation, either one of the equations, since they're exactly the same, we're going to get the exact same solution. So let's work with this first equation and solve for y. So that was x plus 3y is equal to 2. Let's erase this part. Let's solve for y so that way we could plug y into our solution. So subtract x from both sides. 3y is equal to -x plus 2. And lastly, divide both sides by 3. We have y is equal to a -1/3x plus 2/3. So now the solution to our system of equations, x could be whatever variable it wants to be. Y is going to be a combination of x and whatever its solution is. So it's going to be -1/3x plus 2/3. All the solutions of this system of equation are going to be in this form. We pick an x and we plug it in here for y. So instead of it being just one solution like a 3, -4, like one of the previous solutions, it's going to be in this form. And there we go. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.